Today I will be talking about rotation in Etch-a-Sketch. Rotation is defined as given a center point, a direction clockwise or counterclockwise, and a percentage. You first draw a circle with a center point that goes through the point to be rotated. Then you find the point on the circle that is to be given the distance from the first point. So to start, you can see my empty coordinate plane, and this is what I'll be using. And to make a circle on Etch-a-Sketch geometry, it actually looks like a square. So you connect the points like that, and that's technically a circle in Etch-a-Sketch geometry. So next I plotted my points of 0, 1, and 1, 0. When we look at this graph, we can tell that we're going up by 1s and over by 1. So it's a pretty small graph. So because we can tell here that if this is 0, 0, and 1 up is 0, 1, and 1 up is, or 1 to the right is 1, 0. So to come down here, since we know that, this would be 1, and over to here would also be 1. So it would also be the same distance away from each part, down 1, over 1. So when we do that, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we know the distance from 0, 1 to 1, 0 is 2. So we want to rotate these 2 points. So we're going to go about here and here. That's where our new 2 points are going to be rotated to. So since we know that the original is 1 to 1, we're going to have to figure out how far away this point is from this point. So it's 1, 0 to this new point, and 0, 1 to this point. So to do this, we can see that it's about halfway in between the circle, so that we know that half of 1 is 1/2. So this part right here is 1/2. And this point right here is 1/2. And then the same thing over here, 1/2, and over 1/2. So now we know that this point is 1/2 up and 1/2 over, 1/2 up and 1/2 over from our original point. So this new point will be 1/2, 1/2, and this new point over here will be negative 1/2, 1/2. So in order to measure the distance from this point to compare from these two original points, so since we know that we move them 1/2, 1/2, then we're going to go 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1, and 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. So because 1 does not equal 2, that proves that not all Etch-a-Sketch rotations are isometries.